Today you're just going to see a few of my recipes and ones that I've done when I've been on my trips. I will put the link in. People always say, I'll put the link in here and then the little thing comes up here. So I don't know, I'll put the link in wherever it ends up. And to my recipes, and some of the recipes have videos from when I was a health coach.
This is my version of the life-changing loaf of bread, but without the psyllium powder. Check out the life-changing loaf of bread online. There are many recipes there.
A little recipe of my mother's, and we're just using an abbreviated version today because I don't have everything. It's a way to take rock melon or cantaloupe, as you would say if you weren't in Australia, and turn it into a little bit of a salad. Now I'm using soy mayonnaise because I don't have milk products. What my mother used when she made it was sour cream and a bit of yogurt. At home I will do this for dinner, and I'll use sometimes I use smoked salmon in it. I would definitely use red onion, capers, dill. I don't have any of those things here. However, I have olives, but I may or may not use the olives. So it is surprisingly delicious. Even if you don't like rock melon, people who don't like cantaloupe or rock melon actually end up liking this. Put in, I don't know if you saw that. That was like a tablespoonful. Now the one thing I'm really sad that I don't have is pepper. Pepper is really nice with this. I'll put a bit of salt just because I don't have any pepper. Now I'm just going to add olives just because that's what I've got. So I just take away with me some dates because I have a terrible sweet tooth, and some nuts on the bottom. So in here I have pistachios, almonds, I don't want so many almonds, buckwheat, and sunflowers, seeds, and I don't know, I guess I forgot the pepitas. So I'm just gonna add some of these. Okay, so it's interesting. The olive possibly isn't quite the right taste with it, but it's not bad.
Black rice can be good for camping because you can soak it overnight instead of cooking it. Onions and mushrooms are a daily part of my diet, as is a fruit salad, which I always have with me. This version of a dosa, an Indian crepe, is by Sara Wilson, and it has become a staple of my diet. I love a good dosa. Cashew cheese, homemade sauerkraut, and lots of marinated seeds raise salads from boring to spectacular. I'll be including lots more recipes in my videos, so like and subscribe to see more.